every team looking to get better except for the Sixers. They not making no real noise when the season start. And that's right, man. Every team looking to get better except for the Sixers. Every team looking to make some good major trades and stuff, good draft picks, and you want to sign good free agents and stuff, man. That's right, except for the Sixers, man. The Sixers, they say they can't get better, man. And when they get better after Joel Embiid's contract ran out, that's right. It should buy his contract out, man. You can't buy his contract out, man. He gonna have them replace him with something. When you buy his contract out, we ain't got nobody else to sign right. Man, there's some people out there that sign like buy his contract. You gonna stay hurt by at least 50 games and stuff, man. And you're gonna play 30. 30 they're gonna be like how many? 20 and the 50 day and the 50 games he missed, how many games gonna win out of 50? By 12. And right, Sixers ain't that good, man. Joel Embiid holding him back, man. Right, they hurt all the time. He flops and stuff, shooting me outside threes. Right. They say Sixers play. Some people say Sixers play better out of the bees. We're a better team. Then in some cases they are a faster team. They run up and down the court faster, but on offensive sets they still need some offensive scoring. They still be struggling sometimes. People open up the floor for people though. They get double teamed, kick up open wide man and stuff, man. Or threes and stuff. Or sometimes do a nice good pick and roll with Maxi. But right, but he's holding him back, man. He's there too much. And he shooting me outside shots and stuff, man. You know, playing on defense and stuff, man. You trade him, man. You hold him for, man. And he holding on to him for, and then gonna help you get over the hump to win the championship. If he could play, if he play 50 games, he still ain't going to win. Gonna play out, kind of gonna choke. All right, he gonna do something to lose the game and stuff for you, man. Shoot me outside shots and scared to play physical down low. Right, every team getting better except for Sixers. Oh, LaMelo Ball got traded, man. I'm talking about him. He got traded and he went to Minnesota. I don't know if they're gonna be a good. They're gonna win a championship with them. Anthony Edwards and them, but they're gonna be a better. They're gonna be better than what they are, man. They traded Julius Randle. He went to Brooklyn, I think. And Miami got Giannis. Everybody getting better, man. I don't know other teams. Other teams got some different trades and stuff, man. Except for Sixers, man. They about to get rid of Quentin Grimes, let him walk. Working on max contract. And right. I don't know. Some people say the Sixers should trade VJ Escombe for a superstar type player. I don't know, man. They should, because he ain't no consistent player. He might get the first 20 games, he might get 25 or more points, and the next 15 games, something after that, he dropped down and stuff. He dropped down to 12 points and all that stuff, man. And like, Sixers not that good, man. You're not trying to win no championship. Still got the bees and stuff, man. And Paul George, they hurt too much. Right. Every team getting better, except for the Sixers. Sixers need to buy a Bees contract. I was right. Do some of them young guys that got on the bench, man. And right, when B was hurt for a lot of games this year, them guys played good, man. Them guys was getting like double digit points and stuff doing this and that. I had like say B missed like 15 straight games. Out of 15 straight games, them guys have like at least 12 good games and stuff, man. And then B's come back. When guys don't have a good game, don't run no plays for them, or don't get that much time, or don't get them time at all, man. Right? Say them guys, man, they'll be better. You can play the guy Walker, Dominic Barlow, Justin Edwards, and right, that's how y'all win. Right? They go to other teams, do better. Y'all looking all stupid and dumb. You know, how do you play better other teams? And they're gonna say that's the style of the system they run. When I don't want the style of the system, make y'all win. They can play and y'all can win. And right? No, I want to do and go out there and play. You want to say, let's go out there and do what you gotta do. The best of your ability. That's all. Right? Every team looking to get better in the NBA, except for Sixers, man. And right. They got a lot of free agents I heard that's up for market, and the Sixers will go get. But I don't want them guys, man. Mitchell Robinson from New York Knicks, he can't score. I forgot the other players stuff. He can't score. He can rebound good, get 12 rebounds and stuff, but he can hustle. But he don't need some scoring. He can hit 5 shots, none of that stuff. And you see the same with Andre Drummond. He better than Andre Drummond though, but I'm saying, but they do the same kind of role. You know, he can't score, get 5 points a game, some 6 points and 12 rebounds. He gotta do 25 points. And 15 rebounds. If you're going to start in center, or you're a backup, role player, get 15 minutes a game or something, get like 10 points and 15 rebounds. All right. Six need a backup center, man. Six named draft right, man. They got a point guard and stuff. You could have kept Jeremy Kane for all that case. Right. Six ain't going away with this team, man. Seen horrible shit, man. All right. So got a B on the team and stuff, man. Paul George on the team. You got Nick Nurse as the coach. He can't coach. It's a sorry ass franchise, man. I tell you, he's only 2 more years, man. 2 years at least. Mess up. But they messing up already before 2 years. For 2 years, even trying to come. All right. They ain't drafting the right players and stuff, man. They ain't gonna sign the right players for free agent. They ain't gonna trade for the right players and trade their lines and stuff, man. During the season and stuff, man. All right, man. Every team looking to get better in the NBA. Except for Sixers, man. Oklahoma City still gonna be good. Spurs gonna be good still. Denver Nuggets, Minnesota in the West. In the East, Miami probably be good, but I don't think gonna win the championship. Miami trying to get the Bron James. I don't know. They got the Bron James yet or not. I think he got traded to Miami. I think Miami trying to. That's a rumor going on that LeBron James trying to force himself out of Lakers, off the Lakers and go to Miami. I guess Miami might be all right. Who else might be all right? Knicks gonna be still good, like I said. Knicks gonna be still good. Miami, probably. Detroit, Cleveland. I don't know. Probably Indiana. Probably they get somebody. They get some good players. I don't know. You know, except for Sixers, man. Sixers gonna keep the same players, or you trying to get the same, or gonna trade, or you gonna sign a free agent, same players already got. Then they're bums from other teams and stuff, man. So they're getting good players and stuff, man. That can play. That really can get you over the hump and win. That's right. I'm tired of this organization, man. And trying to put a good team together and trying to win a championship. And keep holding on to the B's and stuff, man. B got 3 years on his contract. He said, buy his contract out, man. He ain't gonna do nothing but slow y'all down, hurt y'all. You know, it's the difference between buying his contract out and playing him. Buying contract is the same thing. I ain't gonna go nowhere with him, so I'm gonna get rid of him. Right. Buy his contract out. Find somebody else in the free agent market that can I give him about 40 games, man. If you hurt about at least 30 of the 40, then you got to buy his contract out. All right. And they record ain't that good, got to buy his contract out. Out of 40 games, they like 18 and 22. Got to buy his contract out. That's right. You can't win with that guy, man. That guy ain't the answer. The process era is over with. That's right. He hurting the team by being on the team. He helping the team and stuff, man. All right. A couple more things about this video. I'm gonna cut the video off, man. Sixers not trying to win the championship, man. He's not trying to get good players. They're trying to win. With everybody getting better in the NBA, except for Sixers, man. Sixers getting worse and worse, man. They still ain't got no rebounders, and they got no center that play defense. They got no good shooters. And they ain't got no ball handlers. And they ain't got no good coaching staff. And right, Sixers is a messed up team, man. Messed up organization. And right, everybody getting better. Sixers getting worse, man. Every year they get worse on the rebounding. They get worse on the shooting. And right, they don't know what it takes to win the championship, man. The owners, with the right players, with the right style, they need to win the championship with. Get the right height guys, physical guys, athletic guys that can shoot, guys can handle the rock, guys can hustle, guys got heart, take over games and all that stuff, man. But they want to choke and stuff, man. You talking about Jalen Brunson and stuff? He's too small and all that stuff. And Brunson, he showed that he could play. He's a superstar type player, better than Maxey, man. actually choke artist, man. Actually in the second round against the Knicks, he fell, man. He choked. You know, he might did a good job and stuff. And the game, I forgot what game that was. I don't know, the last game they did another job. They did. He I think it was 4 for 12 or something. I forgot what he was. I did a good enough job. He said I had a good enough game. I did I got my team involved and all that. But I still lost, man. I got blown out every game except for one game, except for game 2. I got blown out every game by the Knicks by the average by 20 something points. Right. About the first game about 30. Second game about 8. I think the third game about 14. And the fourth game about like 30. And fight. I'd be ashamed of yourself, man. How y'all don't know how to build a championship roster, man. The Sixers, man. Going far too long. Josh Harris been owning the team 11 years, man. You don't know how to get it together, how to win. What ain't in the business for? Y'all in the business for nothing. While y'all been, Josh been the owner, you know how own the team, right? And the management. Why y'all in the business? You want to manage your team, right? You got to get the right players to win. I get the wrong players every year, man. Right, get soft ass players that can't shoot, can't play, can't do nothing, man, but lose. Right, y'all jokes as a franchise Sixers. Right, everybody looking to get better, except for y'all, man. Been on far too long, man. I should been traded B. I should got rid of the B 2 years ago, man. I should never sign Paul George. Right. And y'all fuck these new general manager. But Daryl Morey messed this up. Right. It's sad, man. How y'all don't want to win the championship or want to collect money from the fans and all that stuff, but don't want to trying to put a good winning team on the court every night. Don't put a losing team on the court every night, man. All right, hurt players, washed up players. It's right. It's very sad, man. Very, very sad. Everybody looking to get better in the NBA, except for Sixers, man. Everybody looking to get better, man. Some way, somehow, man. Get better on offense, defense, coaching staff. Whatever, man. Everybody looking to get better. General management, stuff for Sixers, man. And they trade deadlines, the draft, or free agency. Stuff for the Sixers. I ain't got no much to say, man. I'm out of here.